Hey guys, welcome back to Opimation, and this is just going to be a quick video. One of my students just wanted to ask about the Juicebox and how it relates to the torso, which I was explaining in the previous video. So I'm just going to dive straight in and just do a quick video to show you the concept of what I meant with the Juicebox and how you can relate that to the torso, meaning the root, middle and top area of the body, and how to look at things in a simple way to make animation a bit more fun and easier for you to enjoy the process basically. So let's get straight in and I'll show you the explanation. So if we look at the bottom here, this is the root of the Juicebox. Now I've done an animation, simple animation of a wave like this. So if you look at this animation, so basically what I've just copied the root control to the middle and top and offset it a bit. So you've got a bit of a wave. And if you treat the bottom, this bottom one as the root of this, so if we go here, all right, so I've just deleted everything. I hid all the controls so it's simpler. So if you look at that, so let's just move this in the middle here. Treat this control at the bottom as the hips here. And then this control can be one of these. I've animated a 4, but it can be this one and that one. It doesn't have to be all of them. But these 3 correspond to this. So you got this, the root, middle, and the top, yeah? Or the middle and the top, ignore this one. So this one, and that one represents this one, and that one. If you look here, the root is driving everything forward, and then everything is catching up last. And it's very simple, it's the same thing here. So you're seeing the root, and the concept is completely the same. So that's why it's good to use these simple shapes that you can animate, and then you can start seeing the body as a shape as well, you know, controls and what have you, and it will just make you look at things more easily. Sometimes some people understand it that way, some people understand it the other way, but this is just one way of kind of looking at a model in a simplified way with shapes like this. So that's just a little quick video I wanted to share with you guys. I hope it was helpful in some way in just understanding and clearing, you know, like the simple controls on this Juicebox. And just see what you can do with simple controls like this. If you can do a brilliant animation with simple controls like this, can you imagine what you can do with a model which has all these other controls as well? But again, what we want to do is, like with this, if you look at this character here, like if we go and check out all his controls, he's got a lot of controls on it. The other thing you can do is, some animators like to hide, keep it simple. So like we just work on these controls and then start adding layers and building up other stuff. Then you can go in, once you've got the base model, then you go in and start doing the ears here, for example, or the arms you do as well as you go, but then you can refine that later on, and fingers and stuff like that. So you're building it up slowly in layers. So that's just a little explanation. Now one of the students, my students, wanted to just ask about, like, how does that relate to, like, say, the torso of the character. So I hope you found that helpful, and I hope that maybe clears things up a little. We'll be doing some more animations with this box because it's quite fun. I find it quite fun at the moment. We'll do a little spin and he jumps in the air and then lands, and we'll do a little obstacle course. So we'll do it a bit more advanced as the weeks go and just start adding in like concepts of the bouncing ball and what have you. All right guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, have fun animating and stay healthy.